G'day guys, Sam here from Trade to Prosper. Today's Friday the 24th of February 2023 and here I'm going to give a quick Bitcoin update and I thought I'd share this Fibonacci chart along with the moving averages, and it just occurred to me that yes, this 200 weekly moving average is being back tested over here. Where are we? Let's just put that there. That is where we are at the moment. It is a back test, and if all things go well, it's going to go up and then retest that again. So we're in a range definitely, and on the 12-hour it seems like we had a bit of time there. If we could spend a bit of time here as well for reversal, that will be a good sign. If we break below it, I do think that we'll come down lower and potentially that level there as the next, but that does open the door for more further downs. So it might just come back up. So that's the scenario. That's a good level I spoke about last time. So if we look at it closely, if we do break down, there is that meet in the middle where we can, from a volume point of control, that is a good level to jump into. If we were to look at from a Fibonacci perspective, pull it back down, and it is the golden ratio. So that is the two scenarios that I see roughly. That could be, that's the range that I spoke about last time. So somewhere in there, if we break there, then we'll get a good pull or reversal, and depending how it is, but I'll be looking to fill my bags up there. Question is, can it be enough to get past this level here with the 200 weekly moving average? If we get past it, then we're likely to go further up, and then so we've also got the 382 as a resistance along with that 200 moving average. So that's going to be hard. And if we do come down, break down, then we are looking for this next moving average and probably that level as well. But that opens a door for the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. So got to be careful. Let's hope this just reverses or reverses from there. Either way, I do see those playing out. And it's going to be dependent on general markets as well. So the SP 500 and the US dollar. So currently, interesting enough that didn't hold. It dropped there. So that's what we got. So the 200 moving average is not really, it is getting back tested at the moment, but you can see how we came below it. So that's a bit interesting. This time around, we're going to have a lower high potentially. And then in the range, we've got a range of a few levels. And so we've got that resistance there, definitely. So if we look closer and get in closer, if we go the other direction, we'll use that. And you can see how the 618 became the rejection level. And this is where the bulls have to come in. That was a clear path for rejection. You can see that level there. I didn't take that chance. Unfortunately, I wasn't looking at it at the time. It happened anyway. So that we're in that range. That's the obvious bottom level. We didn't sweep quite down there, and we might still do it. We might still come back down, sweep there, but I just like the idea of that 200 moving average staying in that pocket. So we did come down, found support. We might. This is not good if it comes down there. I do see a bounce, but it's probably less. However, we can also, if we just continue doing that, we might find that position as well, a bit of a formation taking place as it goes sideways. There's a number of possibilities, but the levels are clear from the big picture. If we look at it from that perspective, can this be a topping off structure? That's the question. A lot of resistance, and it's very possible that this can be a topping off structure, but it's too early to say. I do feel that we will have one more attempt, and if we get a rejection, there'll be a double top, and then I think we'll come back down. If you can't break the next attempt on that level, so if we get there and we can't get past that, I'm afraid that's going to be further down, much deeper, because that's the second rejection. But if this one can rise above it, hit that, and turn it around, we're going to get rejection there, in my opinion. And got to be careful. We might come back down again and then further. So these are the scenarios. Very hard, very difficult layer to trade. Just wait for those moments where you can make the entry. Please give me a like and share. Talk to you soon.